ENT student, now we are going to demonstrate the examination of a parotid swelling in this patient. So basically swelling goes under these subheadings. Please tell.
In history, duration,
Duration is very important.
mode of onset,
How is it started? Mode of onset.
other symptoms associated with lump,
Symptoms like pain, swelling and other compression symptoms etc.
in pain, nature of pain, site and time of onset,
Pain, nature, site and time of onset.
progression of the swelling,
Progression of the swelling.
exact site of swelling,
Where is it located? That is just below the pinna in the parotid region. Next.
fever,
So fever suggests to a parotitis. Next.
presence of other lumps,
Other lumps like lymph nodes etc. Next.
secondary changes,
Secondary changes like any skin puckering, or there is any discharge from the skin, or any hardness or fixity to the surrounding structures.
impairment of function,
So any difficulty in that particular organ's function.
recurrence of the swelling,
So swelling recurrence.
loss of body weight,
So weight loss in malignancy.
and past history,
The past history you have to think of.
personal history,
Personal history,
family history.
family history.
In physical examination,
Okay.
general survey,
So you have to see the general survey of the patient.
then in local examination, inspection,
Inspection.
in inspection situation,
Situation in the parotid region.
color,
Color almost no change in skin color.
shape and size,
Shape ovoid. Size you have to say 3 into 3 centimeters ovoid.
surface,
So surface is smooth.
edge, edges,
Edges you have to see.
number of swelling
So single swelling.
and pulsations,
Any visible pulsations. Any suggestive of vascular malformations.
peristalsis,
So you should think of peristalsis.
and movement with respiration,
Respiratory movements. Any aggravation of these movements of the swelling.
impulse on coughing,
So దగ్గమ్మ ఒకసారి గట్టిగా. So expansal cough impulse whether there or not, it's not there. Next.
movement on deglutition,
గుటక వేయమ్మ. So no movement, it is related to thyroid gland.
movement with protrusion of the tongue,
నాలుక బయట పెట్టమ్మా. So no movement with the protrusion of the tongue. Next.
skin over the swelling,
Skin over the swelling, whether it is pinchable, hard or fragile or anything like that. Next.
any pressure effects.
Any pressure effects that is related to difficulty in breathing etc.
On palpation,
Yeah, on palpation I'm touching it and palpating. Temperature.
tenderness,
Tenderness you have to press and see.
size, shape and extent,
Size, shape and extent confirm.
surface,
Surface confirm.
edge,
Edge confirm.
consistency,
Consistency soft,
Fluctuation.
soft to firm. Fluctuation whether it is fluctuating or not.
fluid thrill,
Fluid thrill you have to see with a stethoscope.
translucency,
Translucency with the help of you have to put a torchlight here and see.
impulse on coughing,
Daggamma. Impulse on coughing. Next.
reducibility,
Reducibility I'm trying to reduce it. Not able to reduce.
compressibility,
I'm trying to compress it. It is not compressed.
pulsatility,
Pulsatility. Whether it is not pulsatile, you have to see whether it is pulsatile or not by palpation for pulse.
fixity to the overlying skin,
So fixity of overlying skin is not there. It is free from the overlying skin. Skin is not eroded.
relation to surrounding structures,
Surrounding structures is below the pinna, behind the ramus of the mandible and the parotid region.
state of regional lymph nodes,
So regional lymph nodes not palpable in this case.
then percussion,
On percussion you have to see for few swellings, not in this. Next.
auscultation,
Auscultation done. No bruise.
measurements,
So measurements with tape to be done. Next. Movements to be seen up and down there,
and
side to lateral.
examination of pressure effects.
So pressure effects not there. Next. So examination of parotid gland proper we are discussing now.
In history, swelling,
Swelling you have to take about the history. Next.
pain,
Pain.
watery discharge.
Any discharge not there.
On inspection and palpation, swelling,
Swelling you have to see the inspection.
skin over the parotid gland,
Skin over the parotid gland normal.
duct,
Duct you have to examine inside the oral cavity. ఆ చెప్పమ్మా నోడదర్వాలి. You have to see for the parotid duct examination and whether there is any edema around the parotid duct. నోడదర్వమ్మా. Okay, and then all those things you have to see in front of the upper second molar. Any fistula formation you have to examine.
examination of the facial nerve,
So you have to see the facial. గట్టి కొరికి పెట్టు. కళ్ళు మూసుకో. కళ్ళు మూసుకో. బుగ్గల గాలి తెచ్చు. Not there. No facial nerve paralysis. Lymph nodes not palpable. No palpable lymph nodes. All the levels of the neck. Next.
movements of the jaw,
Movements of the నోరు తెరువమ్మా. మూయి. నోరు మూయి. నోరు తెరువు. మూయి. jaw movements normal. Next.
stylography,
Xylography. Okay. These are the basic steps that you need to see when you are palpating for the parotid gland, so that you should have a basic idea. Most of the times there will be facial palsy with malignancies, and they will be hard and attached to the underlying skin, but this seems to be a benign tumor. We will have to work it out, and once worked out, it came out to be a pleomorphic adenoma. We are going to have a plan for excising this tumor, a superficial or deep parotidectomy. Thank you very much for watching ENT students about all the points of examination of parotid gland.